What's up everybody, and right here. So, we are like months away from the official launch of the upcoming flagship from Huawei called the Huawei Mate 60 Pro, and leaks are popping up on daily basis. So this time around, the Huawei Mate 60 series appears in bulk in live images. Just look at that, there are tons of Huawei Mate 60 family in front of us. Well, basically, it shows the smartphone has been stored in bulk for shipment. This is our latest look at the phone before the company actually comes up with a release confirmation. Although the images aren't clear, but we can extract some key details from the outlook. The camera is circular and it has a large placeholder in the middle which could house XMage branding and other camera details, and as expected, it has a dual tone color system. The bottom part appears to be made of metal while the top part has frosted white. In some machines though, the color seems to be reverted. Well, this matches perfectly with the past reports and it could be the Mate 60 series. And as mentioned before, the camera has adopted some key elements from the Mate 40 Pro and the Mate 50 series and combined them together to a unique new fashion. Other than that, it could be possible that the devices shown in the images might be the dummy models prepared for the offline retailers, as such models are designed to ship for the sellers to warm up the offline customers in advance. Anyway, there are high chances that Huawei will install brand new cameras and satellite technologies with this flagship to amaze the customers. Upgrading from its past roots, Huawei will also trim down the notch of the Mate 50 Pro and make it a smart island pill-shaped cutout in the center, just like the Apple iPhone 14 series. So yeah, that is pretty much it. What do you think about this live look of the phone? Well, do let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.